Yeah, that's a tricky one. As I reflect on my career, the way I quantify success is how did I make an impact? How did I make a difference? Did I help
Wow.
someone? So the job is the job, and I'm passionate about it. And if I'm able to like provide protection, that is one way you can measure. For example, in the Marine Corps, I deployed to Iraq and I was responsible for the cybersecurity for the entire theater, more than 40,000 uniformed people,
Wow.
plus whatever contractors were out there. So that's no small thing in a war theater, a war zone,
Yeah.
because literally people's lives are
Yes.
affected by how effective you are at cybersecurity. So no small thing. So that's one way, but also it's not just about the macro version, but the micro as well. There were people that I met who were not passionate about cybersecurity. But then after we got a chance to connect and I tell them my story and I show them how they can do things for themselves too, they start to get that excitement and then they become passionate about cybersecurity. And we met some people like this in Kuwait where there was no passion. And then later, they all go on to do great things at the World Health Organization or Google or some
Yeah.
three-letter agency.
Yeah.
And I'm really proud to be part of that journey.
Yeah.
And in some cases, maybe ignite that first step. That's how I look at it. So as far as like failures in my own journey, I don't know that I have too many failures because I just don't think of it in terms that way. But
Yes.
there was one role where I felt like the job was very lucrative. It was a great opportunity, made a lot of money, but I was not happy. I found that in that role, I was doing a lot of things that make good business decisions, but I didn't feel like I had the capacity to help anyone. And I didn't feel like I was making a difference. And so I eventually decided to step away from that role. And I was torn about it because I worked with amazing people at an
Yeah.
amazing company, but I just felt so torn because I didn't feel like I was part of making a difference. I was just part of, I was a gear in this great machine making money, and that's fine, but it wasn't for me.
I hear you.
So I felt like in that case, I don't really consider it a failure. It just, I wasn't my best and I wanted to do better. And that's why I moved away from that role.
Man, your mindset is incredible, man. I that's incredible. I love that about you, man. That mindset is awesome. It's incredible.
You can't fail if you don't believe in failure.